A, B, C. Come dance with me. Sing along so happily. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Let's make learning fun and sweet. A is for apple, red and sweet. B is for ball, bounce to the beat. C is for cat, soft and small. D is for dog, who loves to call. E is for elephant, stomp so loud. F is for fish, swimming proud. G is for giraffe, stretching high. H is for helicopter, zooming by. I is for ice cream, cold and yummy. J is for jumping, bounce, so funny. K is for kite, flying so high. L is for lion, roaring nearby. M is for monkey, swinging so fast. N is for nest, where birds relax, lied. O is for octopus, waving 8 hands, O. P is for penguin, dancing in the sand. Q is for queen, wearing a crown. R is for rainbow, up and down. S is for sun, shining so bright. T is for train, chugging all night. U is for umbrella, saving from rain. V is for violin, playing again. W is for wiggle, move around. X is for xylophone, making a sound. Y is for yo-yo, up and down. Z is for zebra, striped like a clown. ABC, come dance with me. A, sing and move so happily. Learning letters, full of fun. Let's sing again, everyone.
Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button and the bell notification icon.